brings goosebumps to my skin. Tonight the a little different than all the rest. I'm quite old-fashioned where I had sometimes played chess. And when
Can you feel it? The shift in the air, the magic that seems to surround us. Fall has arrived, and with it 100 little rituals waiting to be savored.
seem impossible to score, so I dream on to someday find that vintage love. I kept on looking, but everyone's such a bore. And out of a sudden, you came.
Hello, friends. I've been looking forward to this moment all year. It's officially September, and we can begin to celebrate autumn. The way that this time of year feels is my absolute favorite, as it is for so many people. The way that the air is smoky and crisp, and the light falls at just the right angle, and you don't know why, but it just feels like you're surrounded by magic. This week, we're going to do our best to capture that magic and sprinkle some autumn stardust all over life around us. We're going to pull out some autumn decor, including a few new special treasures I can't wait to share with you. We're going to make some super secret, extra special autumn treats. We're going to go on a fall adventure and do so many other things. I can't wait to get started. So let's go.
I kept on
Well, are you coming?
but everyone's such a bore.
Let's begin by decorating and transitioning our home to fall.
Came through the door at the next table. Your whiskey neat. The lights were dimmed as our eyes met, and you saw me. And forevermore, I like to share that vintage dream.
As it happens, I got about as far as pulling everything out on this day before I was off and running on other things, so we'll get back to cozy decor tomorrow. In the meantime, it's almost dinner time and we need to get cooking. So my parents gave me this huge squash from their garden. It's a Cuban calabaza, which is a West Indian variety of pumpkin, which is very well known in Cuba. And I think it's destined to be a delicious, creamy soup. And while we're at it, let's make some bread bowls too. We're gonna serve this with an apple and cheddar kale salad to make a really cozy and wonderful fall dinner. With a new day, let's get back to decorating. But first, a little haul of a few things I am so excited to share. This little spooky ghost mug is so cute, and oh my goodness, it is the perfect size. I am already loving using this, and this is perfect especially for October. This little pumpkin lamp nightlight is so cute and squishy. It's great to have by your bedside or at your desk. You can just tap it to turn it on, and it is so precious. There's something special about reading poetry in the fall. It's like the words are a little bit more magical. So I love having this for reading just one little bit every day. Every leaf speaks bliss to me. Fluttering from the autumn tree, I shall smile when wraiths of snow blossom where the rose should grow. I should sing when night's decay ushers in a drearier day. This next one is so special to me. I love Winnie the Pooh Bear. He's been very special to me ever since I was a little girl, and when I saw this cookie jar, I just knew it would be part of our home. Finally, we have a few pieces just to liven up our kitchen decor a touch. As you might expect, we take our drinks pretty seriously around here. And while I don't do this year-round, I love to set up a fall coffee bar. So this might include a syrup jar for seasonal syrups, some takeaway cups in case that we need them, and a few little trinkets here and there to make it extra cozy.
That I adore. So hard to find, these seem impossible to score. So I dream on to someday find that vintage love. I kept on looking, but everyone's such a bore. And out of a sudden, you came through the door. At the next table, you're whisking neat. The lights were dimmed as our eyes met when you saw me.
Now we'll add a few more touches around the house just to make it feel like it's truly autumn surrounding us. We don't actually eat very much candy, but I love the idea of having a little candy bowl with seasonal candies available for family or anyone that passes by or visits. We'll finish off our decor by making our regular bedspread just a little cozier and more pumpkin-y. Okay friends, so I have a little bit of time to myself this afternoon, so we are going to sneak off to the cutest little used bookstore and cafe that's nearby, see what cozy reads we can find, and see what we can find in that little town because it is so cute. Let's go!
whispers to my skin. Tonight the whiskey feels stronger.
I loved this bookstore so much. There is just something so special about used books. They have a story, a history. They've been held by different hands and witnessed different stories. This little bookstore also had a cafe with lots of treats and coffee. It was truly the perfect little adventure to kick off the fall.
Let it burn. Let it burn. Let it burn. Till all that's left is ash. Another vice, grab my old lighter.
After my little adventure, I went home and enjoyed some time with my new books.
Down, thinking back to all I loved and lost.
Or, I tried.
Heart is full and aching strong, so I'll throw another log on the fire.
This weekend, I decided to develop a very special new recipe, pumpkin cream croissants. They have those transcendent buttery croissant layers filled with the most unreal pumpkin cream. Honestly, it's just like the kind of pastry you'd find in a little cafe on a crisp autumn morning, and now it's one of our favorite recipes of the season. I've linked the recipe below if you'd like to make them too. Next, I'd like to make a seasonal hobby basket to inspire me, so I want to share with you a few of the things in my fall hobby basket. First, this empty coffee creamer jar is here to remind me to make a delicious pumpkin spice coffee creamer. Keep an eye out for the next video where I'll share a few coffee creamer and syrup recipes. I pre-ordered this witchy watercolor book ages ago from someone I follow on Instagram, and I cannot wait to dive in. I think the fall is such a mysterious season that I thought that a puzzle book full of mysteries and puzzles will be a perfect thing to have around for fun little activities. As usual, I have my favorite seasonal magazines for fun reading. If you haven't gotten into magazines, I highly recommend that you try it. Next, I have a cozy watch list of TV shows and movies that I can refer to throughout the season so that I can get ideas as the days go on. Finally, I've got this beautiful puzzle to work on in the evenings. I used to live in the city, so I love that this is a beautiful cityscape for the fall. We had a cozy, relaxed start today, and I think it's the perfect time to begin some of our favorite fall rituals. Every autumn, we light an inaugural fire, so we're gonna make some homemade marshmallows in preparation. We're gonna rewatch some cozy classics. I think we'll start with The Good Witch and bring in the season.
There is no place I'd rather be than right here next to you. And I truly love to talk about your lovers, old and new. You never spare me details as you confide in me. I smile and give advice.
These are the small, everyday things that make fall feel so magical. Thank you for spending this time with me. I hope it inspires you to slow down, gather close, and create your own cozy rituals this season. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content inspiring you to make the most of each season, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I would love to hear, which fall ritual are you most excited to try this season? Drop it in the comments and share it with us. I can't wait to read them.
Would be to put this friendship to an end.